Hey guys, I am on my way to Amekbo Hafia in Abia State. I love this place. Good morning from this part of the world. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm home. I traveled to the village. I traveled home. So a couple of things happened here in the village. I'm going to try as much as I can to show you guys my activities here in the village. When you're asked to go and make your plantain choice the one you want. So guys, see this big one. Let's go and see the other ones. See the other big one. It looks like it's this one that I want now. There's another big one inside. No, look at it. Look at it. Let me focus. Yeah, that one is big. I want that one. And this one. So we have this one. The other one inside there. Something is covering it. Can't really see it well. This one. And the one behind that other side. So I'll take the one by the side. Okay. Thank you, Mama.
Because we are
So we're going to Union Bank Mahafia branch. I'm going to see my colleagues there.
Right now.
I'll take you guys along, okay?
Okay, Siam, you know you want to make a lunch. So we're looking at group. Because he plays. Why are you making a case for a player?
Hey guys, good morning. We're going for our morning drills. It's currently 6:32. Yeah. So we're going for our morning drills. So guys, you cannot overemphasize the importance of exercise and how it helps the body, right? So while I was here, I made sure I released energy in every possible way I could. And yeah, I love the results. So guys, we call this Mbila in Ohafia. Yes, this is called Mbila. And we have our favorite ways of making this Mbila. Which one of them is called Oto? Oto is one of our local delicacies. Okay, so I'm going to try and take you guys through the entire process. So first things first, after peeling, you try to grind. What I'm trying to do here is to make sure I grind the mbila. So it could be this, or so it could look like this, right? Yeah. And then after which we sprinkle salt on it for taste. And then, yeah, we'll start molding it. I'll take you guys through the entire process. Here, I'm trying to sprinkle salt on it, just so that it could be tasty, like tasty enough to eat. I don't know if that makes sense. Okay. The basic ingredients you need to make this food includes crayfish, dried fish. This type of fish, we call it arera in our place. Dried pepper, mostly dried things, okay? You can as well use things that are fresh if you desire, but most of the times, dried things are just perfect for it. All right? So in this plate, we have our dried things. And of course, you need fresh palm oil for it as well, okay? Yeah. So guys, I decided to get myself a phone that's below $300. Yes, it's a Samsung product. Here I am trying to unbox it. Guess what? I am super excited to unbox it. Yeah. So I'm trying to see if I can open this manual, but I guess at this moment, as at the time I was recording, I was just so curious to know what is contained in the pack. Yeah. So I didn't really have time to spend on a particular thing without going further to find out what is contained in the other parts that I was yet to see. So yeah, here I'm trying to, you know, put things together, access the phone, get to know how it works, and yeah. This is a phone pin, I guess, for insertion of SIM. I guess, yeah, I guess so. This should be it. Yep. I just love how the back is. I just love the camera settings. Just love this. And this the front. So here is my new phone. Trying to power it. Hi Samsung. At this point, someone was really very excited to on the phone. Yeah. I noticed that the phone didn't come with a cover. It didn't come with a cover. So I had to go back to see if I can get a cover. And yeah, here we are. So I got this one and it looks so nice on the phone. Yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I'll see you guys in my next video.